Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is John from Cloud Tech Insight. In this session, we'll be talking about a video analysis feature on Bedrock Data Automation. In the prior sessions, we covered how to scan a document, how to analyze an audio, and we have seen the outputs. And in this video, I'm going to do the video analysis feature in Bedrock and see how it can transcribe, it can do the segmentation, it can also detect explicit content and the keywords mentioned during the video. So it's a thorough video analysis, and this can be used in edtech industry where they have to upload contents and quickly do the analysis and get back to the author with suggestions. So the biggest question is why Bedrock Data Automation when it can be done by LLMs? It's simply because Bedrock Data Automation makes it much more easier and more focused on the core analysis, and response are more consistent compared to using an open source model or in general an LLM. And within few clicks, you should be able to analyze a video, capture the output, and provide your downstream applications for processing and reaching out to your content creators, making suggestions. With that said, I'm moving on to the demo and show you how video analysis can be done using Bedrock. Amazon Bedrock console. In the console, you can scroll all the way down and you can see the data automation demo. And for the demo purposes, you will have to create the project. So I'm going to create one project. I'm going to name up the project called Visual Analysis. And I created a project. Now I go to the demo, and in the demo, there are a couple of options. One is you can use the sample demo, which is the one I'm heading to, but you can also use the upload from the computer. You can pick a video from your device and upload it and run the analysis. Also, you can do it from S3 as well. So in this, I'm going to analyze the video. I'm going to switch to the video modality. I'm going to use the reinvent, a common one, and click on generate results. So you can see there are multiple options here. You can give the full audio transcript, the content moderation to detect if there is any kind of toxic content, logos, chapter summarization, and IAB taxonomy if there is an advertising bureau categories, etc. And once this is there, you can get the results in few seconds, and you can also tweak the slider to say where to start from, because the analysis cost you using the GPUs. So you can pick and choose the portion of the video that you want to run the analysis on. And once the analysis is complete, you can see the video summarization. It gives you a brief summary of what the event is about. It gives you different chapter, segments the video into different chapters, and gives you a gist of what each chapter contains, and also the text that appeared in the video. So you can see the numbers, the names that came up on the slides. You can see the Dr. Swami Subramanian, and you have all those information captured here. So now you can analyze the video. So since I checked additional information to extract, I have to regenerate the results. I'm going to pick. Now it's rerunning the analysis. Like initially it just ran 3 components, which was checked by default, but now it's running the entire set for the toxic content, IAB advertising, video summarization, etc. So it is running the analysis, and you will get the results in few minutes. Okay. So now you can see the video summarization, the video chapter summarization. So each chapter has its own summary, and the additional check boxes that we checked, which is the IAB taxonomy. All the information that related to advertising will be captured right here, the full audio transcript, and then the text in the video, which we saw before. All the images and the text that's captured in the video will be displayed here, and all the logos, like if there is any kind of logos that's displayed here, it's going to be captured in this logo section. So this is a good way to capture and content in a video, and can be used for content moderators to regulate and assess the video before up to their website. So it's an automated way which brings down from number of days to few minutes. And this is the standard output, and there are very custom output way options where you can add your own blueprint here, which I will talk about adding your own blueprint in the next few videos. But there are a couple of options where you can say, this is the output I'm looking for, not the standard output. So there is a lot of way you can customize BDA to your needs, and we'll be going through those features in the next few videos. With that said, I'm wrapping up the session. In the next few videos, I'll come up with additional features of Bedrock Data Automation and show you how to build a custom output when there is no existing blueprint available. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for the latest information. Thank you for watching. Signing off, John.